Electrochemical immunobiosensors. Electrochemical immunobiosensors are those biosensors in which the biorecognition process is marked by the generation of electrical signals. There are three types of electrochemical immunobiosensor. First is the imperometric immunobiosensor, second is the potentiometric immunobiosensor, and third is the conductometric immunobiosensor. The most important thing is to immobilize the biorecognition element on the electrode surface of the electrochemical immunobiosensor. One strategy is the use of gold nanoparticles. Gold nanoparticles has special affinity for thiol groups. These thiol groups forms a monoassembled layer on the surface of gold nanoparticles, and this layer could act as a linker between the antibody and the surface of the electrode. गोल्ड नैनो पार्टिकल्स के अलावा मैग्नेटिक बीड्स का भी इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है. These magnetic beads are basically oxides of iron. These magnetic beads are immobilized or fixed on the surface of electrode using electromagnetic field. And once these magnetic particles are fixed, the antibody or the immunogenic molecule is attached or immobilized on these nanoparticles. And these nanoparticles could be tested and removed by applying the electrical magnetic field. इसका मतलब ये कि हम इन नैनो पार्टिकल्स को मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इस्तेमाल करके रिमूव भी कर सकते हैं. एंड द इलेक्ट्रोड्स कुड बी रीयूज्ड. नाउ द इम्पीरोमेट्रिक सेंसर्स. इम्पीरोमेट्रिक सेंसर्स में एंटीजन और एंटीबॉडी कॉम्प्लेक्स की डिटर्मिनेशन के लिए हम एक रेडॉक्स एंजाइम का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. एंड दैट रेडॉक्स एंजाइम इज हॉर्स रेडिश पेरोक्सीडेज, जिसके मुतालिक हम बहुत दफ़ा डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. These redox enzymes also utilizes a mediator. इस मीडिएटर के मुतालिक हम पिछले मॉड्यूल में बात कर चुके हैं. ये मीडिएटर्स आमतौर पे ऑर्गेनिक मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं एंड दे हैव डिफरेंट कलर्स इन देयर ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिड्यूस्ड फॉर्म. द चेंज इन कलर इज द mark for the completion or the identification or the detection of the target molecule. Now, the potentiometric sensors. Potentiometric sensors में हम different materials इस्तेमाल करते हैं. These materials are responsible for creating a potential difference. For example, polyaniline based matrix. Polyaniline एक ऐसा polymer है that has different colors in different pH values. For example, it has green color in acidic pH while it has blue color in basic pH. इसके अलावा there is another compound that we use in the potentiometric sensor, that is OPD, orthophenylidene diamine, and this is also used for the fabrication of biosensors using the potentiometric principle. Now we will talk a little bit about this OPD. OPD is used in mediator in a system, and again we use the enzyme hydrogen peroxide that catalyzes. Again we use the enzyme hydrogen peroxidase that catalyzes the hydrogen peroxide, and this hydrogen catalysis of hydrogen peroxide leads to the generation of the electrons. These electrons are utilized by the OPD, and OPD substrate is converted into diaminobenzidine. The color of diaminobenzidine is brown. That is how we can detect if the reaction is progressing and there is a detection of the target molecule. इस सिलसिले में मैं आपको ये मिसाल दूंगी जिससे आपको समझ आ सकती है कि how these organic molecules are helpful in potentiometric biosensor. A potentiometric cardiac immunobiosensor is developed in which the electrode is composed of a polyaniline based and glassy carbon tubes based substrate, and on this platform, antibodies are immobilized. The antibodies for the troponin I, C, and T were picked by the secondary antibodies. The secondary antibody, as you can see, contains the HRP, horseradish peroxidase. The reaction of horseradish peroxidase leads to the generation of electrons using the substrate hydrogen peroxide, and these electron converts OPD into DAB, that is diaminobenzidine, that is brown in color. That is how we can detect if the troponin I, T, or C is present. This reaction is very sensitive and very useful. So summarily, we can say that in electrochemical immunosensors, the biorecognition process, that is the formation of antigen-antibody complex, is detected by an electrical signal. The electrical signals could be converted into resistance, voltage, or current. A number of organic molecules are used as mediator to mark the detection of biorecognition element. This is a very sensitive technique for the detection of different target molecules.